Hey, thanks for joining us again. So I got this phone call to go and check out a place, and when I went in, the place was somewhere that's been sitting for a while. Now this is the bathroom, so I'm gonna just show you the bathroom and talk to you. You know how we went about getting the bathroom ready. So all this stuff is going to get cleaned. So I took all the paper off, and then there's a lot of stickers, glue, scotch tape on the towel, so I had to scrub all that stuff off. And then after that, I made sure that I steam cleaned it, sanitized all the surfaces, took off all the glue from the surfaces, and also the sink, cleaned all the sides. And then after everything is done, this is how it looks. So this is deep cleaned and it's sanitized. So same thing with the sink, also sanitized. So this is the before, this is the after, and just to show you a few so you get an idea. And it took a while. It took me, almost, a full day. Well, I think a day and a half to get the entire bathroom ready, taking all the stuff out and cleaning everything. This was a very tedious cleaning, but the reward is the customer is very happy, and we got to show this beautiful old house that can stay the way it is because we did a very thorough job of cleaning it. You look at the shelves, all this was covered in grime, so everything is just cleaned out, sanitized. So I say sanitize because we sanitize, so we take the smell out, right? You can't just clean. If you clean, it's not going to take the smell out of it. So you have to sanitize it. So that's why, we sanitize. And also some areas got disinfected. That's why you could put your hands on it and do everything because, we got rid of the germs and the bacteria that could be on the surfaces for it for sitting for a very long time. So yeah, this is how it looks. If you like this and you think we did a good job, give me a thumbs up, and share it. Tell people about my channel and the cleaning and all about taking dirt and making places clean again. So if you like it, like I said, please give me a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. This wallpaper, you can tell, it's been here for years. Right, it's been here for years. This is a really old house. It's a beautiful place too. It's a very beautiful place, but everything is cleaned. As you can see, everything is cleaned. So just to show you, it takes time to get this type of cleaning done. But yes, old places that have been sitting for a while can be cleaned. So don't think that everything cannot be cleaned. It could definitely be cleaned if you see the before and after. So just give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to come and assist you. Right, do the walkthrough. We are in New York City. We serve Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, and just contact us, and we'll be there to come in, do what needs to be done and give you what needs to be. All right, thank you very much, and enjoy. This is how to contact us. Bye bye.